Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my next video. This isn't going to be a very long video, but I just want to shoot this video just to discuss some of the updates to Exodus and to also show you what is possible with this business. This is actually a friend of mine who's actually been in Exodus Elite for 6 years now, and there's a reason why he's still been with this business for 6 years. Now, this is actually a post of his, and I've done many businesses with him over the years, and he's become kind of a mentor to me because I've learned a lot about him, about online business, mostly through him. Also, in the beginning, I also always had as my strategy is to copy what the successful are doing and then put your own brand and your own spin on promoting an online business. So I'm just going to read this real quick. So on the boat, taking it easy, and another $1,000 commission came in. That is $23.50 in the past few days alone. Is anyone even keeping count how many $1,000 and $2,000 days I am having? 15K in a little over a month. It's your choice. Keep watching me post images just like this, or finally do something about it yourself. I have been with this business 6 years for a reason. An awesome business. Trusted 8-year-old business. Love it. So I believe in Exodus Lead. I wouldn't keep putting out these videos if I didn't believe in it. Uh, and so I'm just showing you what is possible with this business. I've made my first sale already. I'm excited. I can't wait to see what the future holds for me in this business. Paul Stevenson just announced a lot of the updates that came and are coming to Exodus Elite last Wednesday. And I am really excited about the future of Exodus Elite. Paul Stevenson is very rare in the online affiliate marketing business because he is actually building this business for 2022 and beyond. He wants to see this business still here in 10 years. I believe it's possible with this business because it's well run. There's a owner who loves and always puts us affiliates first. He's always adding new content to and tools and training to this system. And the products we sell by themselves are training courses. They're also going to teach you how to build an online income, how to build an online business. So that's why I chose Exodus Lee out of all the other ones that I've seen. Now there are other ones that have caught that basically I was looking into, but my friend here, I've been seeing him successful over these years, and he's been in it for 6 years. It's been going strong for 8 years. Officially, it will be 8 years this summer. So I'm just really excited, and so I'm gonna show you real quick some of the updates that we had in Exodus Elite. So this is taken from our webinar. So I'm gonna go with this photo right here first. So in Exodus Elite we have five online courses. So we have the G100, the G250, the G500, the G1000, and the G2000. I came in here at the G1000, and there's a good reason why I did that. Because when I came in at the G1000, not only did I position myself to make these $1,000 commissions to my PayPal account and my Cash App account and the other things I chose, but I also got these products at no extra cost. including the $100, the $250, the $500 commissions I can make off these products. And I also can get the pass ups and the override commissions for being at this level right here. And I can make any of these commissions right here. So there's a good reason why I came into Exitus Elite like this. Now, I'm not going to go over everything in this video. I'll have a video attached to this video at the end. It'll pop at the end of this video. It's going to pop up, and you can watch my full review video. But we have these educational products right here. You're going to learn six-figure income. You're going to learn a lot of stuff in these products. And let's go back to here, to this one right here. At the G100, that's our lowest product level, now has massive value. We, at Exitus Elite, have packed the G100 with tons and tons of content that you can actually basically look at, and there's some educational courses in the G100 alone, which some of this content should be at a higher level. Now, why did we pack the G100 with so much value? Because Paul Stevenson, this guy right here, cares about Exitus Elite. He cares about us finding success. Now, I'd suggest you come in as high as you possibly can afford, because you don't want to miss out on any commissions that you can possibly make. Let me get back here to this right here. So I'm going to come to this one right here. We added these four products, and these three products you're going to be learning six-figure income level marketing. This stuff should actually be way up in the G1000 if this was any other affiliate business, because we want everyone in Exitus Elite to find success. If you're willing to learn, if you truly want it, if you're willing to get out there, promote Exitus Elite, show people the value that you get in these products, then you will find success. And it's all about reaching out and showing people the way. So I'm really excited about Exitus Elite. Now I'm going to come to the next thing that we were shown. I'm not going through everything in the webinar because there's some things I'm not sure they want put out there yet, but let's get back to this one right here. So now this is the really cool thing. I don't know any affiliate business that actually has a call center that will actually talk to your leads and try to close the sales on the phone. So you're getting trained professionals that are going to actually help you get sales. So this is how it works. Prospect watches our VSL or the presentation video, calls the wait, what does that say? It says calls the callback team using your membership number, and then joins the business. So everything's going to be coded to you. So when they call the number, if they're watching it, the number's going to pop up on the screen. If they call that number, this call center team is going to close the sale for you. Now, what's going to happen is, because they're doing this service for you, and I totally agree with this. You know why? Because these people are working on your behalf. They should be compensated a little bit for for doing this for you. So what's going to happen is you're going to get 80% of your commission. So let's say you come in at the G1000. Normally you would get the $1,000 commission, and then Exitus Elite is going to take 20% out of your commission to go towards the team and paying the team for everything that they're doing for us. So let's say you make a $1,000 commission at the G100. I mean the G2000. Oh, I'm sorry, the G1000. You're gonna get 800. They're gonna take 200 off. So, but still, they just closed the sale for you. So that's money in your pocket. That's why I love Exitus Elite. I have never been in any online business and loved an online business as much as I love Exitus Elite. And I've done some pretty good ones over the years, but nothing touches Exitus Elite. Exitus Elite is here for the future. And Paul Stevenson is not letting go of it. He's not going to sell it off and then hopefully whoever takes it over will do just as good of a business. No, Paul Stevenson wants this business to last years and years and years. So that's why I love Exitus Elite. So they're gonna take, so even if you only get $800 off that $1,000 sale, $800 is still a pretty good thing for them doing the work for you and closing the sale. Now, I will always leave my telephone number out there for my team and everyone to call me. And I will try to always close the sale myself. But let's say I'm on vacation and I can't take a phone call right now. But they call that number, they're going to close the sale for you. And that's money in your pocket. So that is an amazing thing. So Exitus Elite callbacks team, we close your sales live now. There's the phone number right there. So all company is trained to be able to do this. So that's some of the awesome things that are coming to Exitus Elite. There were some other things that they talked about in here about a built-in autoresponder and a page builder, kind of like a Power Lead system that I use. Now, and from what I see in it, it looks really cool. But it's not set up yet, so I'm not really going to talk about that in this video. But this stuff is all live right now. So what I'm going to do now is let me go back to this page right here. So Exitus Elite, I recommend you come in here at the G1000. That's the most popular product, and over the 8-year history of Exitus Elite, 90% has a 90% ratio of people coming in at the G1000 than any product level. And there's good reason for that. I've already mentioned some of them. You unlock all these other products at no extra cost, and you have all the training in these products and the commissions that you can make, and also pass-ups and overrides. I'm not going to go through all of it, but I'll just tell you what an override is real quick. Let's say you come in at the G100 right here. So what's going to happen is you come in at the G100, but you make a G1000 sale. So what's going to happen is at the G1000, you made that sale. What's going to happen is you're still going to make your $100 commission. That's the other cool thing about Exitus Elite. No matter what sale at what product level you make, you still make your basic commission still. So you're still going to make your $100 commission. And then the remaining $900 that's left over for that commission is going to get passed up to me because I am qualified here at the G1000. So not only am I going to make pass-up commissions for stuff that I didn't even work for, I'm still going to get that residual income. So, and then there are other pass-up sales in the compensation plan that I'm also going to that you can watch in the video at the end of this video. I'll have my latest review video that you can use. You can watch that all the way through, and I go more in depth. So this is what's possible with Exitus Elite. And the reason why my friend here was able to make $15K in a little over a month is because we can make the $1,000 and $2,000 commissions in Exitus Elite. And you bet I am going to upgrade to the G2000 at some point myself. And when you upgrade in Exitus Elite, you only pay the difference for what you already purchased. So you're not even paying the full price when you upgrade. So that's another cool thing about Exitus Elite that I don't think any other business does like this. So that's why I'm showing you this. I'm showing you this for what is possible with Exitus Elite. So I'm really excited for the future of Exitus Elite, and this is probably going to be my last video where I am not going to be down here in the corner of the presentation. My laptop, I've had it for 8 years. It's finally starting to kick the bucket, and I am actually buying a new laptop, and I'm getting it tomorrow. So I am going to be in my videos again. I'm really excited for that because I want you guys to see me. I want you guys to see the person that's going to be your sponsor. And I really love Exitus Elite, and if you want to learn more about Exitus Elite, in the description below there's the link to join, including all my contact information. So if you want to learn more about Exitus Elite, the presentation video is below, and also all my contact information, including my Facebook. So if you do join me on Facebook, make sure you put your just send me a text through Facebook Messenger. Let me know that you either have joined Exitus Elite, or you want more information about it, or just to let you introduce yourself. So you can call my number, or you can actually call me through the Facebook Messenger app. There is a phone icon inside the app where you can actually call me as well. So that's pretty much all I'm going to say, guys. Make sure you like this video if you liked it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below as well. And also subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll get notified when I upload new content to my channel. And there's going to be a lot more content as I progress more in Exitus Elite. I'm going to also I'm also going to show you guys what's possible with this business when I start getting more of my own results. But right now I'm just showing you what is possible with this business. I've learned a lot from my friend here over the years. Essentially I copy pretty much what he does, and he has a really good track record of success. And when you join my team, not only are you going to get the training in the products, but you're also going to get some team bonus training, which my friend here also put together. So you're going to learn some of his secrets as well as the training that you get in all of the products below. But that's all going to be explained in the video that should be popping up pretty soon in this video. It should be at the end of this video, and I will have that added to this video. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye.